Hill, partly sunny, in 57. Near the coast and over North Carolina, Norfolk, cloudy, in 57. Virginia Beach, cloudy, in 55. Raleigh, fair, in 64. The weather synopsis. Low pressure will push offshore of the Virginia Cape this morning. A trough of low pressure will swing across the area later this afternoon into tonight. High pressure will build into and across the region Thursday. A strong cold front will cross the region Friday night, bringing in anomalously cool conditions over the weekend. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Virginia, including the Richmond and Tri-Cities area today. Mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers this morning, then a chance of showers this afternoon. A slight chance of thunderstorms late. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour, increasing to west 10 to 15 miles. National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Virginia, including the Richmond and Tri-Cities area today. Mostly cloudy. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening